Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 7 divided by 1 over 7 then times 7. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first, this division, 7 divided by 1 over 7. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, which is 7 over 1. Change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. We can write 7 times just 7 and then times 7 again. Now we have two multiplications. 7 times 7 gives us 49. So 49 times 7. Okay? 7 times 9 gives us 63. So we write here 3 and here we have 6. 7 times 4 gives us 28 and 28 plus 6 gives us 34. So our final answer to this problem is just 343.